Getting stuff to make his yum yum sauce. Our last time we were at Walmart, everyone says, oh, get Duke's. And that was at Walmart. So, of course, if you have Japanese, maybe that's gonna be better, but we're gonna try with Duke's because most everyone can find Duke's. And overwhelmingly, people said Duke's mayonnaise. Okay.
Yeah, last time somebody recommended.
So many people, right? I always said maybe Hellman's, you know?
Yeah.
Or Kraft even, but here, I know you're gonna make it later, but we needed to use it to compare, right? Like a little sample, right? Or something?
Compare.
Yeah, I'm sure yours will come out better. Right?
I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, people liked your garlic butter. A lot of people tagged us on Instagram and said, oh my God, that garlic butter was so good.
Somebody
and it was.
Try already?
Oh yeah, many people tried. They love it. So we're headed to Benihana. This is North Bay Village. This original location, they built the Benihana, one of the earlier ones anyway. That was 1973. And 47 years later, they demolished it and built a new one. And this is what it looks like. We're gonna pull in right now. But they opened up just in time for Super Bowl of this year in 2020. This is, of course, before all the craziness with the pandemic and all that. This is located, again, North Bay Village, which is a small town between Miami and Miami Beach. And it's on the water, which is got a real beautiful setting, nice location. Here's Han. We are back in Benihana.
Yep.
And we're going to make the yum yum sauce, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's go through what we have here, Hiro.
So we have main ingredients going to be these two, the mayonnaise. I have one is Duke mayonnaise, and here's a QP Japanese mayonnaise, and ketchup. And then this side we have a paprika, garlic powder, rice vinegar, and a mirin. And now I'm going to add a little bit of water.
Okay. Very, very simple to do.
Very simple. Yeah, this is from the Benihana.
Yep. And we're charging 50 cents a piece. All right, Hiro-san, let's do it. What's the first step?
First step, actually, this is everything just mix it up into the bowl.
Okay.
I wanted to make it two different types. I mean, one is with Japanese mayonnaise, one is Duke mayonnaise.
Right. All right, let's do it.
Yeah. Okay, first thing is 1 cup mayonnaise. First, I'm gonna go with the Duke mayonnaise. Ketchup. Okay, rice vinegar. Mirin. Next one is half teaspoon of paprika. Mixing everything.
That was pretty simple here.
Very simple, right? Okay. Okay, next one, I'm going to make yum yum with Japanese mayonnaise.
So right away you can tell that the one made with Kewpie is a little bit darker, right, Hiro?
Yeah.
A little more yellow, and that's
Yeah.
how the mayonnaise looked also.
Yeah. Mayonnaise also looks a little
Yeah. More yellowish. Do some more, a little more of a whiter color. And the one from Benihana actually even more yellow than that.
More yellow. Benihana.
What was it?
You can taste a lot of garlic.
A lot of more garlic, right?
And this one.
This is with Duke's.
More vinegar.
This takes more blend. It's not as you said. It's not as strong. It's got less garlic in it. And how about the one with Kewpie? This is more tangy, you know. I think I like the garlic more. What about you?
Yeah, we can put the garlic more.
Definitely has a much more garlic in here. Well, there you have it. I would add maybe a little more paprika and more garlic.
Yeah, more garlic. And
about half a
paprika, or
teaspoon.
More ketchup and.
Yeah. Which one do you like better between these two?
This one, these two, maybe this one.
The Kewpie, right? Well, there you have it, guys. Benihana's got more garlic. I kind of like it more. You guys like that more garlicky taste. Duke's is great. Also, Kewpie is also very, very good. It depends on what kind of mayo you like. This is more creamier. A little bit more lighter here.
I think
So,
this one is more thicker, right? No, thickness is almost same.
all the same, right? But when you take it out of the bottle, it's very, very like liquidy. Not as like rich and thick. All right, there you guys have it. If you guys have any more sauce that you want Hiro to make, then leave a comment below. Let us know. Meantime, thank you so much for being here, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.
Thank you.